Dow Jones traded in a very narrow range after the strong bullish momentum last week, and it is still trading or respecting this bearish channel. Does this mean that can we expect it to continue with the drop next week, or is it going to give a breakout taking towards 35,000 levels? Which position you should take trading US30 next week? We will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Watch till the end. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the twice a day updates which I release for Dow Jones. First with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session. Let's start. First we look into the chart. And yes, do like, share and comment as well, friends. This is a motivation for me. Now, if you look at the charts on the 4-hour time frame, you will find, see, it has consolidated here and gave a breakout. If you divide this into two, you will find higher highs are certainly done, and this is where we have couple of channels active. Now this is the zone in which US30 is trading right now. The median somewhere here is at around 34,100 levels, and the bottom at around 33,900 levels, and the top at 34,300. So in this zone we have to watch out more carefully how US30 behaves. Also remember, it is coming after a big bullish move, thus it is still forming a good flag here. We have to watch for a breakout beyond 32,300 and 34,300 and 34,400 zone is you should treat US30 as extremely bullish. We are looking forward to 535,000 levels. Yes, it can break out. And also on the 4-hour chart, see, there is a pullback which we have seen, and this could be also the beginning of the reversal. Thus once you see prices staying below 34,200, we can say that there could be little bearishness towards 34,100, 34,000 and then 33,900. If any point of time the prices breaks below 34,900, you can say that it is a bearish breakout. Now this is on the 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the daily. See, on the daily charts, we have seen a V-shaped recovery and the prices are falling back within the zone. Now it is trying to trade within the zone here. It is not willing to break either on the upside or the downside. Second is, if you look at the last candle, it has come after a couple of red candles. Yes, there was a reversal sign. Yes, there was a breakout, but then it has given a stronger bullish reversal. Now also it has left a wick on the upside. This suggests that the probability, as long as 34,000 is respected, we can see it continuing on the up. But I still have my apprehensions, because see, this is how US30 is trading: higher highs, lower lows, the pivot somewhere here at 34,100 levels, which we should watch out for. If it stays below 34,100 is where the bears will be taking over, and 34,000 is the level below which you should treat this as bearish. Yes, it can reverse completely. Be careful here. And a breakout is what we should be careful. We should be watchful of. Any move above 34,500 should take it till towards 35,000 levels here. Now let's have a look at the weekly. On the weekly chart, see, one must observe, see, higher highs here, higher lows here, and US30 is, yes, it has given a breakout here, but at the same time it is so far trading within this channel where the highs are far above 36,000 levels. Now for the last few weeks we have seen US30 trading in this bearish channel. This is almost at the highs of the channel. If you recall, last week as well I have mentioned that 34,200, 250 levels, 34,200, 300 levels are going to remain the resistance zone, beyond which certainly 34,500 is the next milestone, and then we can look forward to further rise towards 35,000. So far it is confining its move within this zone. Coming to the month. Now on the monthly chart, see, the preceding candle was a swing candle. It has almost seen the highs here. The body was small and there is a tail also on the downside. Now this candle, since has started flat, it can also erase the gains from here and can give a breakout, and this breakout is going to be messy. But if you look at the movement of US30, the drop, the retracement, the drop, and it is retracing, it is staying within this box so far. Now it has come to the critical resistance levels. We have to watch out very carefully around 34,300 to 34,500 levels. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? If you look at the indicators, the prices are again and again taking the support from the 20 period moving average and are again looking upwards, trying to diverge more. But I am still saying the preceding candle, unless and until 34,500 is breached, or in fact 35,000 is breached, should not be treated as a reversal. It can possibly again fall back. Stochastic has dropped. If you look at the MACD, this is trading bearish. It is almost at bottom. It can possibly converge crossover from here, but it is still showing signs of bearishness on the monthly charts. Yes, this is almost at the bottom levels. Remember the fact I have shared multiple times that US30 has always been trading with this as bottom on the monthly chart for last 15 years. Stochastic trading flat. Coming to the week, on the weekly charts, the moving averages are staying parallel and are still in green. Now it is staying about 20 weeks, 20 months and 20 weeks average. Thus the possibility for it to converge exists here. Stochastic rising from the bottom. MACD. Now see, MACD has converged here. It is not yet crossed over. And it does not mean that it cannot yield bearishness from here. It can. Specifically, once the price stays below 34,800, close your eyes, stay long for 34,500, 34,000 levels. Yes, it has formed double top and it is trying to look downwards. It is not yet crossed over. If it does cross over, then you can say that the bulls are back and it is going to rally. RSI comfortable here. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts. Price is divergent from the moving average. And yes, the 2050 moving average are on the verge of a conversion and a crossover. Yes, once the cross is over, I will see how strongly they diverge. That will be the calls for the bulls here. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is still divergent. The MACD is still bullish. It is looking upwards. And yes, after forming the double bottom, we have seen now the massive rise. So I will definitely watch out. Possibly too much of divergence, call for it to converge. RSI comfortable. Let's also look at the 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, there is a bullish cross in the near term, and this suggests that the bullishness might prevail, though the support zone is very nearby. And if it converges, then you can say that the prices are crashing. But right now, it is not showing any signs. Stochastic rising. Now see, MACD is on the verge of a bullish cross here, and on the 4-hour charts, if you look at the formation of US30, you will find the bottom is far below, but it is reversing from the median. This suggests that it can possibly achieve the highs. RSI is looking upwards as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicator. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you all so that you can trade profitably, comfortably, and get a feel of what can be expected from US30 in the coming week. But before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Register yourself now itself. Invest in your learning first, which can reap the profits to you throughout your life. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life, implemented correctly and practiced correctly. To register for the batch, you have to visit the platform forexfunda.com. Here on the front page itself, you will find the details related to the batch, whether be the timings, curriculum, the services which you'll get, and also along with that the registration form and the fee payment details here. You can click towards the payment, book your seats, and register with the after filling the details. Thus visit the platform forexfunda.com. This platform is much more in offering for you, be it the breaking news, be it the economic calendar, the markets data, where you get the chart of anything which is getting traded across the globe is available here, be it the availability of the experts like me, where you can book a call, you can schedule an appointment, and you can consult with me for any of your trading or trading queries. Also, here is the discussion forum, which is the important part of it. You can engage in your preferable instrument in a discussion with the like-minded traders. Do visit the platform forexfunda.com. Now first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will only recommend you to buy now at 34,250 and then 34,320. Now till here it's fine. We have got maximum resistance for US30 here. Once it breaks out beyond 34,320, we can look forward to, actually beyond this, we can look forward to 34,500, but then 34,400, the first milestone, let me look at it, and then 34,500. This is the next milestone which US30 has to break past by. If you see it is staying above 34,500, do not think of looking back. We can look forward to 34,680, 34,760, and then 35,000 levels should be seen here. Yes, I will include 34,800 as well, but then actually I will be looking forward to 35,000 levels. In fact, above 34,500, I will be looking forward to 35,000 levels. Be careful here, be watchful here. A possible rise towards 34,300, 400 should not be treated as a reversal. In fact, 34,500 is a option for you to sell, and this can probably draw from these levels, but not beyond 34,500 levels. You can say 30 after 34,500 directly we may see it landing towards 35,000 levels. On the downside, I still see it to trade with a bearish bias. You can sell here at 34,170, expect 34,100, below 34,100, 34,050, 34,000. Three support levels in a very nearby space. And if it breaks below 34,000 levels, you can say that the bears will take over for 33,900. And this is the point of time which will bring the bears further towards 33,800. Below 33,800 is where the complete reversal, and then you can see it moving towards 33,500 levels. Just here to stick to the trades, here just here to stick to the levels and trade accordingly. Trade profitably, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Just trading as per the signals, you can definitely profit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do watch out the twice a day update for US30 for more informed decisions making. Thank you very much.